If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, deep tint sunscreen glass, rear window wiper and washer, manual 6-way adjustable driver and passenger seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, electric park brake, split folding rear seats, electronic roll mitigation, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5586.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.